Navigating the Ontario real estate market can be a labyrinthine journey, laden with misconceptions, but it's incredibly important to separate fact from fiction in order to make informed decisions. Let's target some of the most common myths that often bewilder potential homebuyers. Myth number 1. A common misinformation circulating is that 20% down payment is mandatory. This can be an intimidating notion for many potential buyers. However, in reality, programs that exist in Ontario allow for a substantially lesser amount. You can put down as little as 5%, making homeownership a feasible goal for many more people. Myth number 2. A prevalent notion is that buying is always superior to renting. While owning a property does provide stability and a sense of accomplishment, this isn't absolutely true for everyone. Various factors come into play when deciding whether to buy or rent. Aspects such as job stability, financial readiness, personal lifestyle, and long-term goals should be taken into account and should strongly influence your decision. Myth number 3. Another misconception is that the down payment is the only upfront cost you'll need to worry about. Many first-time buyers make the mistake of focusing solely on the down payment, overlooking other associated expenses. Don't forget about closing costs, home inspections, and legal fees. These additional costs can add up to 1.5 to 4% of the purchase price. Resources for Ontario homebuyers. The Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation, CMHC, provides comprehensive guides and an array of mortgage insurance options to assist you. The Ontario Real Estate Association, OREA, works diligently in offering valuable market information, helping you to stay informed. Online land transfer calculators are crucial tools that can help estimate additional costs, a boon for budgeting. By diligently understanding these myths, misconceptions, and reality behind them, you're better equipped, ready, and confident to navigate the often intimidating process of home buying. You're preparing yourself to make informed, wise decisions that align with your financial and lifestyle goals.